الجلال والجمال والسناء والبهاء في رباك والحياة والنجاة والهناء والرجاء في هواك
And one day, America caught a bug called bigotry. And she stopped me at every checkpoint and frisked me, like she forgot who I was, like she had dementia, like she forgot she created me. Symptoms of dementia include forgetfulness in the evening hours. America thought my father's dark skin was like her dark past, put memory and poverty in prisons, forgot Klan members wore white. Symptoms of dementia include inability to speak or understand. America stopped speaking to me. She stopped asking me questions, pretended she couldn't hear me. How could she understand me? When the decision to bomb a people is made, the tyrant is under the assumption that the bombs will silence the people. He's under the assumption that he controls life. Yes, you can take a few lives. But when we talk to my aunts on the phone, I assure you, these women have so much faith in justice. They pray to it, they believe in it, and despite their struggles, they will teach their children about it.
One must consider when will this end? I think we all ask ourselves this question. But I tell you, I would like to give it another twist. Because we were taught when we were very little, Myrna, a verse, there's few verses in the Quran that start وَقُلِ عَمَّلُوا.